Have you ever thought about helping your kids create their own magazine? So that was my idea behind this design. It's called the Adventist Junior Magazine, and it's an inspirational guide to help your kids design their own magazine from anything they want to. What they're into, I did cameras. If they're into photography, or if they're into gaming, whatever they're into, they could create their own magazine about it. Because I know my kids are very into Roblox. So their favorite game, they could just take their favorite game and all the information that they know about that game, they could add the pictures and the information on the game, and then they would have their own little or their own big magazine. They could do it for anything. Uh, each magazine, you could do probably two or three different games inside the magazine if you wanted to. But I just think it's a creative way for us as parents to help our children get creative online since everything's digital anymore. Okay, so that's all I have for today. We will talk soon.